Hey, what's up, guys? So I'm back with an update for the ROM for the MikG's since 2.1 version 1.02. That is the latest update for the ROM that I just reviewed in my last video, which was version 1.0. So the differences of this ROM is he stabilized it a little bit, he sped it up a little bit, he sped the ROM transitions up and all that good stuff. He fixed the bug going to the home screen, the rosy bug, so that was fixed, and he also added HTC Hub, which is, let's see if we can find it. There it is. So HTC Hub is added now. As if you remember the last ROM, when I reviewed the very first version of this ROM, it did not have HTC Hub, so that works just good now. And I guess I want to run a smart bench just to see just how fast. Before I do that, though, I want to just show you guys the weather application that I didn't show in the last video, but it also works in the version 1.0 as well. But the HTC 3.0 weather app works on this ROM very well. I know about a week and a half ago, these ROMs were not working. The 3.0 weather app wouldn't work on any of the ROMs, and somehow these guys got it working. And I think there's maybe one other app ROM that has since 3.0 working. I don't know if they figured out how to fix it, and maybe they're all working. I don't know, but it's great that he has implemented that. And I'll just give you guys a demo. We got sunny, thunderstorms, cloudy, and so on. You have about 10 different ones. So there you go. So that's the weather ROM, the weather app of the 3.0 weather app. So that's cool. But let me run a smart bench right now and see if we got any better speeds than our productivity or the game index. And we're gonna run a smart bench. And yeah, it does seem faster. I used it for like 5 minutes after I flashed it, and after I finally got all my applications back, because I wiped everything. I didn't flash over the old version. I just went into the Aaron screen, and I pretty much wiped everything twice, and then I flashed it all over again, and I had to reflash the landscape mode as well. So this is a fresh ROM running on top of a freshly wiped system. So I suggest you do the same if you are gonna do anything. If you are coming from 1.0 and you want to go up to 1.02, then I would suggest just completely wiping it and then starting flashing it from fresh. So it looks like we got through that smart bench pretty fast, so we'll see what the difference is now. Okay, and it's going through the jellyfish stage. Yeah, so this still is one of my favorite ROMs, and so far, since out of all about 40 ROMs I've flashed, it still is my favorite one, especially with the update now, because it just seems to run a lot smoother. The only complaint I do have is the battery, and I'm pretty sure there's a way to fix that. I just haven't really done a lot of reading on the battery fix, but the battery doesn't last for too long, and it looks like it's about the same. And 947 for our productivity and about 844 for our gaming index, so about roughly the same. So it's not really too big of an increase. Maybe there's some processes going on with the 4G being on and all that stuff, but I do not know. But whatever, what are you going to do? It's still a very clean and smooth running ROM that's fast enough for you to do pretty much anything you want to do on this phone. So all in all, this update is very well received. It's awesome. I'd like to keep running it daily, but I'm going to be flashing ROMs and reviewing them. But I'm going to go ahead and Android backup this one. This will always be my fallback because it is sick. So, alright guys, that's pretty much it. Rate, comment, subscribe. See you guys later.